Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update RainLoop webmail on your VPS, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update RainLoop webmail on your VPS, begin by accessing your server via SSH. Log in using your username and password. Navigate to the RainLoop installation directory. Typically, this is located in the directory where you initially installed RainLoop. Use the command to change to the RainLoop directory. Once inside the directory, check the current version of RainLoop. You can do this by opening the version file. Next, visit the RainLoop official website to find the latest version. Download the latest version using the get command. Make sure to replace the URL in the command with the latest version link. After the download is complete, extract the downloaded archive. You can use the tar command for this purpose. Once extracted, copy the new files over your existing installation. Make sure to back up your existing configuration files before proceeding. After copying the files, navigate to the data directory within your installation. Clear the cache to ensure the new update functions properly. You can do this by removing cache files within the cache directory. Once the cache is cleared, check the permissions on the new files. Ensure that the web server user has access to the RainLoop files. Finally, restart your web server to apply the changes. After the server restarts, open your web browser and navigate to your RainLoop webmail. Log in to confirm that the update was successful. If everything is working, you have successfully updated RainLoop on your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.